In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access passwords and accounts. Now just click on Google under Passwords, or select this gear next to Google under Autofill service and tap on Google Password Manager. Either way, select one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your screen lock. Lastly, tap on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!